Presentation is often everything, and look at this. Look at the presentation. Good job for the brand and the manufacturer. Wow, this is awesome. I love it. Like, I just love the presentation. I want to keep everything like mint condition. Take a look at the charging cable. So you can use it with the Type-C. You can use it with Apple. On the other side, you use it with the USB. Use it with the Type-C. Wow. Nice thick lines. Look at this. Look at even the carrying case. So nice carrying case. Look at this. Look at this carrying bag. This is awesome. So you got a flashlight and you got the wireless charger head. Of course, make sure you pull the plastic off. I'm telling you, if you want a gift for somebody or for yourself, this is it. Look at the transparency in here. You can see the small individual batteries making up this big battery bank. I absolutely love this. I really do. This is so cool. Wow. This is so cool. Look at the monster here. So this is the actual power bank. You have 2 ports on here. This is so cool. Look at this. It's touch. This is awesome. Wow. So this is 20,000 mAh. This is 40,000. Unbelievable. It's magnetic and it's a strong magnet, as you can see. Incredible. So we're going to take off the battery pack here and we're going to go ahead, put on the flashlight. Okay, so here we are at our computer. We are charging this unit here, and this shows you on each charging port. And as a content creator, I am always on the go. So something like this is really important to me because we got drones we need to charge, multiple batteries, we need our controller to charge, we need our cameras to be charged, we need our phone to be charged. And I'm tired of running out of battery power. And I'm tired of carrying around stuff like this. This is so big to lug around a power station, but this provides us with exactly what we need. Everything we possibly need, ready to go. It's amazing. With the different connections, we are always ready to go. It's marked on here, so for output, we know we're going to use that port for charging. And let's say we want to charge our drone batteries while we're heading to another location. No problem. We go ahead and we plug it in and we see it's charging. So now we are charging. Well, let's say we want to switch over and we got to get our cameras to start charging up. No problem. Now we start charging our cameras. Just like that. And we can see the watts and all the data. All right, this one's charged up enough. Let's go ahead and get our GoPro Hero. Go ahead and put that port in there. And we'll charge our GoPro Hero now. So if you got a laptop, if you got cameras, cell phones, other power banks, drones, RC cars and trucks, whatever you need, this thing is there for you. And if you don't need the double power pack, if you want to use the wireless, go ahead, pop on the wireless charging. Let's say it's getting dark or you need some light, go ahead, pop on your light. It's that simple. When you're done, you could go ahead and pop everything off, pack everything back up in its nice protective bag that they provide. Like, I love this bag. Go ahead, take the cable as well. You can wrap the cable up. For us, we're just going to quickly wrap it in because this is what we would do if we are on the go. We just pop it in like that. And now we have this carrying bag to take with us. So we go ahead and push the sides down in, take the strap, and we kind of go like this right over the center. Now we are ready to go.